a crystal. That was so fake. Anyway, hey everybody, how you doing? So today's video, don't mind me, sorry, it's right here with this ferret. Anyway, so today's video, I am in a different spot. I'm in my other couch because Zaria and the ferret has took over my other spot of recording, so we just got to make this work, you know. But so in this video, I am coming because okay, I just want to say that I haven't made a video in weeks, and that's because a lot has been going on. My friend passed away or whatever, and so yeah, I went back to Florida for a funeral, and then I came home. So a lot has been going on, but I am back making videos. I did not forget, okay? I just had a wait time for a minute off of social media, period. Like, I didn't even upload on Facebook, Instagram like that lately. I just been gone. Anyway, oh my God. So, this video, I am unboxing my first blender by myself. Like, my first personal blender. I had a blender before back when I was in Tampa, but blender, and that's the Pro blender. I haven't opened it yet. I just bought it the other day when I went grocery shopping. And the NutriBullet Pro is supposed to be a powerful 900-watt motor. It's supposed to come with the cups, and it's supposed to be a 9-piece set. I got a 9-piece set. And yeah, because I'm gonna start drinking more smoothies, because I've noticed that I don't eat healthy at all. I try to eat healthy, but it don't really work out that way. And you know, I am getting a little older, and my stomach has been tripping about everything that I eat. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do something different now, and I'm gonna make sure I actually use it, you know, because it's small. It's not a big blender. Big blenders to me is like aggravating, especially when it's just one person that's using the blender. So that's why I was like, let me get a personal little blender, since I'll be the only one to actually use it. So yeah, so it comes with this stuff. It comes with the warranty stuff and blase, whatever. And inside the box is the blender. Sorry, hush. Okay, y'all. Sorry, come get your little friend, your little fly, your little neck, whatever it is. Okay. So this is the package right here. Okay, so the first piece is the actual base of the blender. Oh, one of my lids is out anyway. This is the cord and the base. So I'm gonna unpackage the base. So yeah, this is the base of the blender. And I like the color of it. It's like a rose gold color. I think that's so cute to me. I think it's cute. You don't have to be a hater all your life, sorry. But yeah, it's a massage. And y'all don't mind what I got on. I just got on the shirt and I just took a shower, and I got on my pajamas at the bottom. Don't mind me. I ain't going nowhere. The Grinch. Yeah, my Grinch pajamas. They're my favorite pajamas.
You look like a Roxy.
It's the footsies.
Not footsies.
Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing here is I guess this is the big cup. This is the big cup, and it got the blade on it already. So this is the blade with the cup. I might use this one first because I'm gonna make me a big old smoothie. I don't know. Oh no, I think this is the bigger cup. Yeah, this is the bigger cup. My bad, y'all. This is a big cup. Like, this is a lot. Yeah, I might just use that one. This is a lot. Like, it's big old cup. Oh, I like the handle on it. Once I start getting used to it, I might use this size. I don't know. Very nice. I like this. That's why I didn't get the older one. I got this one because I wanted this cup. It has a little flip on it. Like the NutriBullet been out for a long time and I never really got one. But I went to Target. I went to Target and bought it. But yeah, this is the cup that you put on top. Well, I'm gonna show y'all me making the smoothie, I should say. I'm gonna record it. But yeah, this is the stuff right here. It's supposed to, once you're done making it, you can put this lid on it and just drink it out the cup. Or I might just end up buying me a personal cup. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Or I might just use this. I don't know. But yeah, so we're gonna use this one first because I'm gonna wash it out and use this one because it is a little bit smaller. And that one is like, oh. Y'all ain't gonna tell me that I was sitting over here screwing it on the wrong side. I'm over here like, why is it not screwing? Duh, Chris is the wrong side. It's this side. Yeah, I gotta get used to this. So, you're supposed to tighten it up, put it on here. Put your stuff in here. And then you push it down. And you twist. Anyway, so it's supposed to go like this. And so you're supposed to blend all your ingredients up in the hand. So people that, anybody that knows about NutriBullet, y'all know how to make it and whatever, how it works and whatnot. I just want to show y'all me unboxing it because it's my first time with a NutriBullet. Yes, sir. Okay, I don't know what all this is. It's supposed to have like a booklet on and like some smoothies that you can make, but I got me some stuff already and that's why I'm gonna make one today. But yeah, it comes with this little user guide and you know we really don't read all this stuff, but anyway, to the people that actually do, it's in here. I don't, but let me get rid of my trash. All the trash components. The only piece I need is this stuff right here. I watched other videos and I'm kind of hurt because I feel like my little box didn't come with nothing really. I don't know if I got like the regular and everybody else is getting the deluxe package. I don't know, but mine only came with like 2 cups and 1 lid per, yeah, whatever. Anyway, cause one video I was watching, I seen somebody else, they had 2 blades. I only got 1 blade, and it's the NutriPro. And I'm like, why I only got 1 blade? They got 2. Anyway, whatever. But so I do have my ingredients already that I want to make with my NutriBullet. And I got me some, I got some spinach, I got some kale. I know I'm gonna try that. I got some bananas and strawberries, frozen strawberries and bananas. I got blueberries, raspberry, wait, is it blueberries? Yeah, blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries together. And then I got some cinnamon, because I'm going to put cinnamon. I got some ginger, so I can put some ginger in my smoothie. I got some chia seeds and whatnot. And I got some coconut water and unsweetened almond milk. Yes, I love almond milk. I've had it before. It's amazing. So, yeah, I'm going to show y'all me making my smoothie for the first time. And I hope y'all enjoy it because, you know, I'm about to be healthy up in here, okay? I don't know about Zaria and Jonathan and the ferret, but I'm going to be healthy,
She
okay?
can't eat healthy stuff. She eats ferret food.
She's still unhealthy. Anywho,
First of all, get off my baby. Yeah, stop coughing.
to the kitchen in the background so I can show y'all me making my smoothie. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try to get Jonathan to drink a smoothie. I don't know how that's gonna work out. Y'all pray for me. But anyway, to the next scene. Bye bye. Okay, y'all. So, don't mind the boobs. Sorry. They're, yeah. Anyway, so this is my little setup over here. I had to put it in this little area because my kitchen counter space is small. Anywho, got the Keurig already in the way. But I got the blender here. I haven't plugged it up. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. Oh shoot, I didn't plug the little thing off. There, plug that up already. So, what I'm gonna do is I got me some spinach, I got me some kale, I got me some garlic, fresh ginger. Got me some fresh ginger. I got my honey, my Winnie the Pooh honey. Got me some cinnamon. Got me some chia seeds. I got me some maca powder, whatever they want to. I don't even know how to pronounce it. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. Got me some strawberries and bananas. I want to do the bag only because, yeah, the fresh ones, I didn't feel like doing all that. I just grabbed bags. And then I got blueberries. And I'm going to use some almond milk, unsweetened almond milk. This milk is good. So, what I'm about to do is, oh yeah, you can see my little church thing. Okay, so I wash my hands, you know, and I'm going to put the spinach in first. I really don't want to put spinach in first because a lot of videos I've seen that the stuff was getting stuck, like the leaf was getting stuck at the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with some strawberries and bananas. Like, it shouldn't be that hard to make strawberries.
Where you at? So I'm sliding.
Okay, y'all, so I am done with my first smoothie. Yes, I put a napkin on it because it is cold and wet and
Is there anybody like you?
all that. Oh my eye. Oh my eye itch. So yeah, this is the first smoothie that I made. In the video I showed you that I put some blueberries, strawberries, bananas. I put some kale, some spinach, and I put ginger. I chopped up the ginger and put it in here too. I used some, hold on y'all. Hi! Zara, you're so loud. Why you so loud?
I have this game.
Anyway, so I got some chia seeds and some maca powder in here. So I put some ice as well. And the first thing I would say is that it does taste different. And I think I did say I put some honey and some cinnamon. I put some cinnamon and honey in this too. But the first thing I would say is that it do taste different. This is something I never tasted before in a smoothie. This is something that I don't know. I would just like, let me try it because I've seen it. And I used the almond milk. The next smoothie, I do want to use the coconut water. I didn't use it this time, but I wonder how it would taste with coconut water in my smoothie. I usually don't like coconut, but I'm gonna try it this time. And yeah, off top I would say that the first drink I'm like, woo, because it's a lot of stuff in here that I don't normally eat on a daily basis. And I just want to go ahead and just like detox my body and do something different. Jonathan tasted it, he said it was nasty.
I mean, I do the fruits with it, but as far as that, I can't. I'm sorry.
So no kale, no spinach.
I do the fruits though. Shoot. Heck yeah, I do the fruits.
Anyway, so I just wanted you all to come and see my smoothie. And I hope y'all like this video. It was very short and simple, me making my first smoothie and showing y'all my new blender. The blender is good actually. It blends this thing so quick. Like I don't even taste the I don't taste the kale, I don't taste the spinach. I don't taste none of that. And it's very whipped in here. Like it's blended. Like I was nervous about the kale and the spinach being blended, but it actually did good.
I mean, I hope you got some fruits.
Yeah, it's strawberry, banana. I got blueberry, blackberry.
So when you gonna make the fruit tonight?
I put some strawberry and banana in mine.
Where you at?
I might just go ahead and make Zaria and Jonathan one with the strawberry and bananas because they are very picky. And I just got my little deluxe right here. But y'all, so new videos are coming back because I am over my little hiatus or whatever. Sorry about this video, y'all. Zaria's in the living room. She in my spot where I usually record it. She loud. She's talking in the background. But I just want to make this video anyway. You know, when you have kids, it happens.
What happened?
So,
What did I do?
yeah. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what kind of smoothies y'all like. If you like smoothies, if you drink them, if you know any of the stuff that I put in there, let me know how it make you feel. If you've been on the detox or whatever, I don't know. Just let me know below, down below. And you know, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.